Once upon a time, there was a blogger named Sarah who was struggling to make money. She had been blogging for several years, but she couldn't seem to attract enough traffic or readers. One day, Sarah decided to try Pinterest. She had heard that Pinterest was a great way to drive traffic to blogs, so she created an account and started pinning. At first, Sarah didn't see much success. She only had a few followers, and her pins weren't getting many views. But Sarah didn't give up. She kept pinning and experimenting with different strategies. After a few months, Sarah started to see results. Her follower count grew, and her pins started getting more views. She was also starting to get traffic to her blog from Pinterest. Within a year, Sarah was making a full-time income from her blog. She was able to do this by using Pinterest to drive traffic to her blog and by monetizing her blog through affiliate marketing and advertising. If you're a blogger, you can do the same thing as Sarah. You can use Pinterest to drive traffic to your blog and make money. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money blogging on Pinterest. I'm going to share with you the exact strategies that Sarah used to grow her blog and make a full-time income. How to make money blogging on Pinterest. There are two main ways to make money blogging on Pinterest. Drive traffic to your blog and monetize it through affiliate marketing, advertising, or other methods. Use Pinterest to sell your own products or services. In this video, we're going to focus on the first method, driving traffic to your blog and monetizing it through affiliate marketing, advertising, or other methods. Step 1. Create a Pinterest business account. The first step is to create a Pinterest business account. This will give you access to analytics and other tools that will help you grow your Pinterest account and make money. To create a Pinterest business account, go to the Pinterest website and click on the Create Account button. Then, select the Business option. Step 2. Optimize your Pinterest profile. Once you have a Pinterest business account, you need to optimize your profile. This means filling out all of your profile information, including your website address, bio, and interests. You should also choose a profile picture and cover photo that is relevant to your blog and target audience. Step 3. Create high-quality pins. The next step is to start creating high-quality pins. Pins are the images that you post on Pinterest. When creating pins, it's important to use high-quality images and to write clear and concise descriptions. You should also use relevant keywords in your pin descriptions so that people can easily find your pins. Step 4. Pin consistently. One of the best ways to grow your Pinterest account is to pin consistently. This means pinning new pins on a regular basis. I recommend pinning at least 10 new pins per day. However, you can pin more often if you have the time and resources. Step 5. Join Pinterest group boards. Pinterest group boards are a great way to get your pins seen by more people. Group boards are shared boards that multiple people can pin to. To find Pinterest group boards, you can search for them on the Pinterest website or use a tool like Tailwind Tribes. Once you've found some relevant group boards, you can request to join them. Once you're approved, you can start pinning to the group boards. Step 6. Promote your Pinterest account on other social media platforms. You can also promote your Pinterest account on other social media platforms, such as Twitter and Facebook. To do this, simply share your Pinterest pins on your other social media accounts. You can also include a link to your Pinterest profile in your social media bios. Step 7. Monetize your blog. Once you're driving traffic to your blog from Pinterest, you can start monetizing it. There are many different ways to monetize a blog. Some of the most popular methods include affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn money by promoting other people's products or services. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Advertising. You can also make money from your blog by displaying ads. There are many different ad networks that you can join. Selling your own products or services. If you have your own products or services to sell, you can do this through your blog. Making money blogging on Pinterest is possible, but it takes time and effort. If you're consistent,